Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to add colons in your Google Sheets data. Open up your Google Sheets spreadsheet. Now, to add column to this filled up data, we'll be adding column to this data here. The first thing to do is to select the column where you want to insert the empty colon. So let's add here. After selecting it, you can either click on this small arrow beside the colon and choose to insert one colon left if you want to add an empty colon to the left part, or one colon right if you want to add it to the right part. Another way is to click on the cells, then you right click and you select insert one colon left, and you can see that an empty colon has been added to the left hand side of the H colon. Now, to add a colon to the right side of your filled up colon, the same process, you right click and you select insert one colon right, and you can see a colon has been added right hand side of this data. So that is how you add colons in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like. Bye guys.